Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is NWANYI. So today's video is going to be a village kind of setting. I went for a burial in Imo State and I was opportune to film the different stages of fufu or cassava making. So like the different stages from the peeling to the soaking to the washing and finally to the pounding. So you guys should stay tuned as I get started. Yeah, cassava making involves a lot of process. You can peel it the way they are doing, or you can even soak it with the bag. But that with the bag, it changes the color of the cassava. That's why some people prefer to peel it off before soaking. Here, the cassava is being cut into smaller pieces inside a big bowl that has detergent inside. You can use any form of detergent. You can use Omo, you can use Clean, you can use Ariel. According to them, the essence of using detergent or any foaming agent is to wash it to be clean, and also they're going to use it to soak it later on. After the cassava has been washed, she added some potash into the already mixed water and detergent. The essence of the potash is to make it softer within few days. And here, the cassava has been soaked for 2 days now and is now very soft. Next, Ebube Chukwu is now sieving it out, separating the real cassava from the chaff.
The most beautiful girl I have ever. I see if I need a mama.
Yeah, I did it. Ezoku.
Hello.
Ani na eri akpụ. Sie. Onwe chi si akpụ taa.
Mata na chọburu isi akpụ.
And there, after she's done washing or sieving out the cassava, next she's going to tie it up with a rope and allow it to drain off the excess water. This is how the cassava looks like after it has undergone so many processes. And lastly is the cooking and the pounding. And yeah, the woman here is going to show us how she cooks her cassava, and she has been doing this business for a very long time. She has been into this business. And yeah, so what the young lady is saying that in my own place in NKWU, that we don't cook our own fufu, our own cassava like this, that we normally stir like that we in ACS, the way they used to make plantain flour, semovita, potato flour and the rest, that we don't cook it this way. So this is the first stage of pounding the fufu, because fufu is cooked twice. Firstly, when you put your hot water on fire, you have to allow it boil, then you put your fufu inside. After it must have boiled for at least 10 minutes, you pound. This is the first stage. And then after, you put inside and back the hot water again and cook it for the second time. And then you pound. That's how the fufu is being made. So then this is the second stage of cooking the akpu of fufu, after which she's going to put it back on fire and allow it to cook for at least 15 to 20 minutes before bringing it out. Give me the ticket open now, Cassava. Okay, Emily Seva way by and go your sister. Okay. And there, finally, the akpu is done. The akpu is done cooking. So she's now going to pound it for the final time before serving.
Mary.
How long can you go now?
Okay,
like how? Yeah, no. How long can like can you go now? Okay, nearly labi.
20 years now.
20, Jesus.
Hello. Imagine you have that book on there. And the king have that book on us. You can believe that. Man, the how many years?
Live video here left.
20 years. Try go kwa.
No more now. Hello, give my just can join.
No. And yeah, this is the final stage, from the peeling to the soaking to the washing and finally to the pounding. Finally, she's done with the pounding. And this is how the apple is being molded. And this one is sold for 15 naira each. Don't chief for probably over 3,000. What size is it? And like taking later in a day, for instance, like estimate taking in later.
It depends. 7,000. 5,000.
Okay, depending on your cigar. Depending on the case digging. Oh, okay.
He get the family. He get the man 10,000.
But the number is like 13.0 from 5,000. So business taking name we na zoom gani nanti. There.
Yes. Oh yeah, we can na money.
For good 20 years. Nah eh. Mwakwana. Jisike. So guys, this is officially the end of this video, and if you really enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell to get my notification anytime my video goes live. So see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.